Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Gmail account on Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and now you want to create your Gmail account, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Gmail app and here just select got it and then select add another Gmail account. And here just select Google and here you just have to log in your account if you have anyone, but if you won't have an account just select create account, then select for my personal use. And here first of all you just have to enter your name. As here I have entered my name, now just tap on next. And here you just have to enter your date of birth. I am going to enter randomly this one. Just enter that and here your gender, enter, then select next. And here you just have to select any Gmail account from here. If you want to create your own account you can easily create one. I'm going to select this one from here, tap on it, then select next. And here you just have to create a strong password. After creating the password, just tap on next in the bottom right corner. And here just tap on next. And just scroll down and tap on I agree. So in this way you can easily create your own new Gmail account. So you just have to wait for it and here select your Gmail account which you have created. Just tap on it, then tap on take me to Gmail, and here you can easily change your Gmail account just like that. So that's how you can easily create a new Gmail account on your any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.